Hi, I'm Lucas. Let's jump into another Ditch SIM tutorial. Are you frustrated by an iPhone that's locked to a specific carrier and can't use it on different networks? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the many techniques to free your iPhone from network restrictions. The solutions are compatible with all iPhone models, no matter which carrier it's locked to. I get it, you've already tested different unlocking services or software, only to end up disappointed when they didn't work. You're not alone. I've been through this situation myself, spending money on services that failed. But what if I said there's a better way? A method that's more efficient, reliable, and the best part, totally free. You heard that right. This approach is not only completely free, but also tested and proven to regularly unlock network-locked iPhones, no matter the network. It has worked flawlessly whenever I've tested it. So stay with me until we finish the video, and I'll reveal this fantastic solution. Ready to unlock your iPhone? Let's get started. Please take note that this tutorial is intended for people who own their device and need assistance because they forgot their login details. We do not tolerate illegal stuff that unlocking stolen devices. Let's keep to legal activities and respect the rights of all. Our videos all adhere to YouTube's terms and conditions. All clear? Let's go. To begin, I will take out my SIM card with this eject pin key before beginning the procedure. Next up, use another phone and launch your browser and navigate to ditchsim.com. Remember that you can use any phone or even desktop to reach this website. At this point, you're going to need to enter the details of the mobile device that you want to unlock. You need to input the IMEI of your phone because that is the code that is needed to unlock your smartphone. If you don't know your IMEI, you can easily find it here. Simply press this iOS tutorial button or Android tutorial if you're unlocking an Android. After you press it, the instructional video on how to find your IMEI will pop up. Now note down and type that IMEI here. Make sure to verify your IMEI number ahead of going on to the next step to avoid any problems. Next, select the type of phone that you want to unlock. Mine is iPhone, so I will choose iOS device. Now press the unlock button to begin the process. After clicking the button, the process will then start. At this stage, all that's left is wait for the unlocking process to be finished. Now that the unlocking process is almost complete, let's head over to my iPhone and see if it's unlocked. You can observe that my iPhone has no SIM card. Next, let's insert the new SIM card that we want to activate. After we add the SIM card, your iPhone will request the SIM card PIN. Let's enter the PIN and hit OK. Now let's wait for my iPhone to read the SIM card. And now, as you can see, my iPhone is now carrier unlocked. I can at last use any network SIM card with my iPhone. Struggling with the method? We have an alternative. We're offering 300 unlocks weekly for our viewers. Want to participate? Here's how. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, comment with your device model below. In the comment, include your device model, IMEI number, and country. Once you've completed all steps, you'll be automatically entered in the weekly free unlock giveaway. Make sure you give the right details. Good luck. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to the channel for additional technology tips and how-tos. Also, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below.